Yeah, let's see. Come, gonna do unboxing.
Can you listen up what it is?
Yeah. What do you think these are? Let's see. These are for Ryan, eh? You're obsessed with the ball. Going to be
Try to put it up. Yeah. Okay, so long you don't cut in it. Just the rope at the top. Yeah. I think so. You do the first one. And then the middle one. Yeah.
so has to technically what are doing? What is this? Oh. Yeah.
Oh, look at it so pretty. That has to be inside the This one. Oh, should look.
I think I didn't even wash it.
Yeah. You want to sit in it already? And Papa put the balls on top of you?
Right. Yeah. Let's see. Look.
Oh!
Yeah.
What is
So
that?
many balls. Yeah. More. Let's see. Yeah. Inside is 250 balls, yeah?
Oh! He's almost gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh my god, look! Look at his feet.
Yeah. So let's look close by. How about you think, Tess? Let's see. Ryan. What do you think? You like it?
Should Mama put you up again? Yeah, it's your leg.
Gör. Ja tack. Ja.
Oj.
I give the phone to mama.
Yeah.
There you go. Lily. So, Lily is here. Let's see what Lily thinks about Lily immediately.
No, Lily.
Lily, what do you think? Together with baby brother? Yeah, we thought Tessie's reaction would be better, but no, she is busy with the wrong ball. Yeah?
He went to the...
Yeah. Ah, Lily is out.
No,
Yeah. Maybe they know that is for Ryan, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looky.
Yeah, you like it?
Oh.
You're having fun?
Oh.
Yeah.
You're gone. You're gone. Between all the balls. Yeah.
Yeah. Let him.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Lily, tussen alle ballen. Ja, tussen alle ballen. Lily,
Yeah, Lily. Lily is showing interest. You want it? You want this? Yeah? Yeah? Go get it. It's inside. Get in. Get inside. Go get it. Yeah, it's 250 of them is inside. Go get it. Was it this one?
Oh, this one, Lily.
Oh, good job. You can grab it. Yeah. Ryan is our firstborn. And no, not yet. Not yet.
Is that it?
And then we bought this today for him. Apparently he likes it. These shiny balls, 3 different colors as you can see. Then, uh-oh,
4 different.
yes. He's almost 6 months old. He's doing great already. And today we found out that he grew first tooth. Yeah. As a parents, for us, time goes quick. Yeah. She's going already to kindergarten. We are doing our best to provide everything and do what we can in our power that he grows in safety and happy. Yeah. 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 Oh. Ah. What's happening? You like it? Come. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yeah. Good job, my baby boy. My baby boy. Good job. Oh, yeah. Come. I help. Yes. Come up. Yes. I got you. Yeah. Yeah. Lily loves it also. Yes. Yeah. Thank you all for watching and see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till the next. Bye bye.